How's it look today? Looks okay. It's a little dry. What's up, guys? Here, what I got today, I got a box from the Beard Struggle, and I figure we open it up, see what's inside. Okay. Baby Groot. Pretty good sized box. Not bad. Crack this baby open. Come on, baby. What kind of witchcraft is this? Only the most elegant of unboxing. Okay. Get rid of that. So welcome to the family. It's all their stuff. I think, if I remember, I think this is, I think I got the mud mask in here. So. Yep, this is it. This is the Viking Sea. There it goes. Yeah, the Viking Sea mineral mask. Okay, that's that. So that's the mud. This one. Ah ha ha! This one's a little easier. Okay, well, it's just a little easier. It's not a lot easier. Okay. This is, ooh, check it out. It's a gold top. That's a silver top. Okay, this one is beard balm. There you go. Viking Storm. The mud mask is definitely a lot bigger. Look at that. Does it have ounces on here? No? I don't think so, but I mean, you can tell. It's a lot bigger. Okay, just first impressions here with the mud mask. I don't know if you can tell, but like the whole bottle is wet. A little bit of moisture on the outside. I mean, it smells good, but yeah, it kind of seems like maybe this was leaking a little bit. I didn't see anything in the package at all. It's a mud mask. Yeah, that's mud. It smells like clay. It smells like modeling clay. So yeah, I'm gonna put this willingly on my face. This is the Balm Viking Storm. Got a silver cap on top, not a gold cap like the other one. Ooh, look at that. Focus on that there. That is a that's hard. That's definitely the kind that you like scrape with your fingernail. Ooh, but it melts like right away. What's that? It's like a musk. Like an Old Spice kind of musk. Melts real easy. Yeah. I didn't do a daily dose at all. That's just get stuff in my hand. I don't know if you need to keep this little guy or if the lid's gonna suffice. So let's do the mud mask. Let's see what that's like. So I will say one thing about it, like this dark green with the gold lettering, man, this is hard to read. I wonder if I need to wash the beard first. It says apply a medium layer to your beard and let dry 10 to 15 minutes. I might still wash anyway. Shower time. All clean, smooth. Soft beard. Let's do a little bit of mud. Let's get dirty. A little bit of mud. A medium layer. Oh, it feels like pudding. I have no idea what I'm doing. I guess like just mix it up like you're doing a balm or something. Hands. No. What? Oh, it's thick. It's cold too. I'm gonna warm this up. And don't try to comb this out. Just rip your face off. This is sticky. It's sticky mud. Like, what's a medium layer? What do you think? Am I pretty now? So, beard mask is on. Okay, so 10-15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, 10 minutes, 15 minutes in, and this feels, it felt weird. Like you can feel it like dry. Doesn't really come off of my hands anymore, and it smells like mud. It was like I've been fishing all day. That'd be nice. Anyway, time for a shower. Okay. First at the shower. Okay, so what do I think? The first impression? That's soft. It really is. I do still kind of smell like I've been catfishing all day. Like I still kind of smell like some mud. I don't feel any. But yeah, that is really soft. Yeah, that's nice and soft. Now, it says on the label, finished with either day oil or night oil. I'm going to use the new balm that I got today as well, the Viking Storm. It does smell good. If you haven't done this stuff, take like a fingernail amount right there in your hand. Rub it. Ooh, this stuff's nice. Another thing I like about balms over oil, like, I'm not that greasy. I'm not crazy about oil. Oil just, my beard is really fine, so oil just kind of falls out. I feel like it gets all over the place. It's on my hands. Fluff it up. I like it. So scent wise, like I said, it does kind of smell like you've been catfishing all day. It smells like mud. It is mud. Number one ingredient, Dead Sea mineral mud. But yeah, it definitely does leave the beard really soft. There's plenty in here, definitely for another couple weeks. It says to do maybe 1-2 times a week. I'll probably only do one, especially with working inside now. My beard's pretty protected all day, so I'll do one a week. I like it. It's nice and soft. So yeah, you want to try it out for yourself. I've got a link down below. Save you 15%. Follow the link, enter in the code, and try for yourself. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you later. Bye.